Alpha?
Mama. Mama, it's me. In flesh and blood.
Alpha!
Mama, I'm alive. I'm not dead. I'm alive. It's me in flesh and
How? It's you!
blood. It's me. I'm alive.
I was told you were dead.
Mama, I'm not dead.
Hey!
I'm alive.
Alpha?
Mama.
Hey! I almost killed myself. Alpha. What would you have said when you come and you find out that your mother is dead? Hey! Alpha.
Mama, I'm happy to see you alive too. I would have been dead by now, but the gods saved my life.
Hey!
Let me go and tell her. Is it Memo? Let me tell you what is happening. All plans are plans are
How can you come back? No, it is not possible. Hit you. Hey! So it is true. Ezechina must have given us wrong information. Hi. Hey! Finally! You are back! Hey! No, but you didn't try at all. You didn't try. Eh? You kept us in the dark. Eh? So where have you been?
Uncle, it's a long story, but please, can you sit down so we'll talk more?
I knew you were not dead. I knew you were alive. But your mother will not believe me. Because he believed in the fake news. You see, Ezechina lied to us.
Uncle, he did not lie. But the gods kept me alive.
You see? How? The gods heard my cry. Your cry, you say? Our cry. You need to see me. I was crying and crying and crying. God, thank God. Anyway, do you have food in the house? Because he must be very famished now. Menife, I've not cooked anything today. I'm not. No food? No. Okay, wait. Hey! Hey! Take this. Thank you so much. Make sure you prepare very delicious food for him. Thank you. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, I want to go and see the Ono and the others and tell them the good news of our son's return.
Uncle, thank you. Thank you very much.
Ofodile, you're welcome. Welcome. We thank God. We thank God. Thank God. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Hey, Papa. Come, let's go. Here. Let's go inside. Hello. Hey.
Please forgive me. I beg you in the name of God. I ran away that day because I was scared. And I didn't want them to kill both of us. Please.
You did the right thing by running away that day. Maybe you wouldn't have survived it if they had captured you.
Oh, thank you, my brother. Thank you for your understanding.
It's okay.
Thank you. So tell me, how did you escape?
I did not escape.
What do you mean you did not escape? Okay, did they release you? What happened now, as in, how did you...
I was saved by the gods.
Come on, I know you were saved by the gods. That is what you keep saying, but I want you to explain to me, how did this really happen? Did the gods come down or say...
I've told you, but the most important thing now is that I'm still alive.
Well, that is true. And the busy. That is true.
Can we leave this place?
I'm back.
So how did you go?
Mama, he refused to talk.
What do you mean you refuse to talk?
Mama, he refused to tell me how he escaped. He kept telling me I was saved by the gods. Huh? See, Mama, now that he's back, let's just forget about everything.
No, we will not. It is either you become the Igwe of the community or no one else. Mankwe.
And what if I say I'm not more interested?
Will you shut your mouth? Shut up. You don't seem to understand what I'm doing for you. Igwe, is it not you that will be the Igwe? Is it me?
But Mama, I know. But I still don't know how you want to do this now that he's back. Huh?
That is why I say you should listen to me. I have a plan B.
Just immediately?
Of course. Don't you trust me? Add me major no okay.
Mama, I saw Omenife coming out of this compound. Has it been long he came?
Omenife? He didn't come here. Maybe he was going somewhere else.
I saw him coming out from this compound. I saw him.
He did not come here. Tell me why I know who called you.
Mama, he said I'm invited to the Council of Elders meeting in the next Ekemake day. And they are still discussing on the date of my coronation.
Before, God will always bless you.
He say...
The gods of our land will protect you. No evil will come close to where you are.
Thank you.
You know what? You'll be the best Igwe Umobia community has ever had.
I take it.
Receive it.
I take it.
Receive it.
Mama, thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, I found one.
Mama.
Where are those people? Where are they? Where are those people who are rejoicing over the news that you were dead? Shame on them!
Mama, do you know that Onowu and Ichie Onuibo knew I was not dead?
Why didn't he tell me?
They decided to keep it a secret. Mama, what is it?
Ah! My tummy.
Mama?
Ah!
Mama? Hold on. Let me get you water.
Ah!
Mama? Mama, stop this. Mama, hey! Mama, what is this now? What is this?
What happened?
Mama,
leave her.
No, stop saying that.
She's dead. Can't you see?
Hey! What's going on, Mama? Mama, what's going on?
His mother just died.
Mama! 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 Hey!
Instead of you, Mama, that crying like a woman. I call your uncle.
Hey! Mama, look at her. Mama, she had poison. Mama, don't wait.
Don't you shut your mouth. Can't you say what you do? You say I call your uncle. I call you. I call your uncle. Leave her, she's dead.
Mama, stop this.
Leave her alone, she's dead.
Mama, please stand up. Stand up, Mama.
Hey!
Hey!
Alo. Why are you behaving like a woman? Do you think I can walk in? No. Why are you not around like that? Are you not a man again? Also, I need it.
Hey!
Leave her alone.
Hey! What?
I'm gonna leave her alone, she's dead.
Mama!
But I've told you to relax. Just relax. I am the engine room behind all this.
Uncle, good day, good day.
Is it China? Why were you running as if something is wrong?
Uncle, yeah, something is wrong. Oh. Something is wrong. I'm just coming from your house.
What happened?
Uncle, now. Yes, Uncle. Unfortunately, mother is dead.
What happened to her? What happened to her?
Uncle, she had poisoned food and she died instantly.
Hey!
Yeah. Did you say poison? So, who?
Hey!
So who must have poisoned Ugonna?
I don't know.
Evil has entered our land. Evil people has entered our land. Evil people everywhere. This is too bad. Hey!
Bia. What of Ofodile?
Ofodile is beside her dead mother crying. Uncle, he's really crying. No.
Wait. Did he also eat the food?
No, he's still alive. If he has eaten from the food, he would have been dead by now. Uncle, my mother said I should come to your house and call you. You should come with me immediately.
It's okay.
Let's go.
Be going, I'll be right behind you. Huh? Be going.
I didn't meet him at home and I waited for some time. He still did not call. But eventually when I was coming back, I met him on my way coming back home. He said he's coming.
Oh, please, he should come quickly, people. He should come now.
Hey! So this is true. Hey!
Ugonna!
Ugonna! Who did this to you?
Now you're manifest. Whoever that did this to Goma will never go unpunished. The person will never know peace. But you know we have been waiting for long now. So what are we going to do?
What else are we going to do? That will call the you so that they can go and dig her grave and bury her immediately.
Just look at my mother.
If the mother did this, my mother will not survive. Oh, that person must die.
But person must suffer till the end. That person will turn to an imbecile. That person will never see the daylight the next day. That person will confess and rotten and continue to confess the evil that he has done. Just look at my mother. God will punish that person. Goma! Hey!
Wicked. Go to Brahman. Go to Brahman. Hey!
Hello.
What is the matter?
Mama, I am worried. Who could have come to this house to poison her food?
Is that why you're worried?
Mama, why won't I be worried? Eh? If somebody can come to this house and poison her food, that means we are not safe.
Eziechina, whoever that killed Ugoma has a reason for doing that, which me or the best, I do not know. But her death will not deter my own ambition of you becoming the next Igwe of this land.
Mama, don't let anybody hear this outside though, before they think we both killed Ofodili's mother.
Did you kill her?
God forbid. How could I have done such a thing?
I didn't kill her either. Ugoma's death has paved a way for us. It has cleared the road for us. We don't have any other obstruction on the road for you to be the next Igwe. Ofodile, I know what to tell him to make him completely reject the decision of the gods. He will not take it. So you are the next Igwe. Igwe! We are winning.
Mama, like I said, do not even see this outside, so they will not be pointing accusing fingers at us. Oh. Hey. Oh.
Clear conscience. They say, fears no accusation. I am not afraid of anything. I didn't do anything.
Kill.
Ije Enuka. He said he has a plan. What plan is he talking about? What is he up to? Ofodile. His coronation has been postponed indefinitely because of his mother's death. And I've not seen him for the past 2 days since the mother's burial. What's happening?
Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. 99 days for the thief. One day, not for the honor. Onya na banka toja.
Thank you, Mo. Hey, oh, my mother is dead. I can't believe this. Oye, Nem. Who am I going to talk to?
Please stop crying. Please stop crying. Should I bring food for you? Food is ready. Hmm? Okay, fine. Let's go inside so that you drink water and eat something.
You go rap 'em. Hey.
Uncle. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you? Affordably. You are still crying. No amount of tears will bring your mother back. She's dead. Gone. Gone forever. The earlier you imbibe this, the better for everyone.
Uncle, please talk to him. For 2 days now, he has been like this. He has been crying. He has refused to eat. I and my mother have been begging him to eat and drink something, but he has refused. Please talk to him.
No, now, this is not fair. Affordably. This is not fair.
I can't believe that my mother is lying deep inside the grave. My own mother. Nengem, kekune yoga bukwana.
You are causing harm to yourself. Be a man and console yourself, okay? You forget that you are the future king of this land. What if people come here now and see you cry like this like a baby? They will think that you are from a weak family. And we are very strong in our family. Be strong. You say he has not eaten?
No, for 2 days.
Come. Let's go. Come on now. Come. So, be a man. Our teacher is good.
Mango. Where's the company? Okay. I greet you. Anoint my hands and let my hands touch the right lips.
cannot fight a man with the guns. Makonya chimeleze, ese kaga. Isi kalaka, okwanya nebuakidi, okwanya chidi.
Fodile, I've been so worried about you. What happened?
My mother is dead.
She was poisoned 25 days ago. I knew it.
How did you know she was poisoned?
I saw it in my vision. But she wasn't the target. And it was too late. Affordingly, you have to be very careful. Someone or some people want you dead by all means.
Who are these people you're talking about? And what have I done that someone would want me dead?
I do not know who they are. But that is the main reason why you have to be careful. Please, do not go back there again.
I can just run away from my father's land.
I once said the same thing too. But I later realized how important it was to save my life. Do not go back there again. Save your life first. It's dangerous for you to go back there. At least not immediately.
But I will soon be crowned the king of my community. I have no reason to run away from my father's land.
Your life is more important than the crown. Perhaps the crown is the reason why they want you dead.
I was chosen by the gods. So I see no reason anyone should want me dead because of the crown. I wish I can be told these people you're talking about so I can avenge the death of my mother.
Okay. Accept my sympathy for the death of your mother.
What? Hey! Allo? Odejiji. 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 Oh. Whoever that made away with the image of Odejiji, he or she will die. And that body will be buried in the evil forest. I have spoken, but I will look for you. I have spoken. Whoever you are will die. Whoever you are, you will die. Whoever you are. Whoever has tried has tried. Oh, I said I'm moving back. I know you're banana. Eze Mary Manu, Manamau, what did you?
The oracle is not seen at this time of the day unless there is trouble in the land. Think he's going to Onowu's house. What must have happened? What must have happened? Hey! I think I have to follow him and know what the problem is.
Come back tomorrow. Your medicine will be ready by then.
Thank you very much.
Who is she?
A patient of mine. She has skin rash. She's been here for an hour.
An hour, you said?
Yes.
Meaning I've been sleeping for a while now.
You've been sleeping 45 minutes before she got here.
I am not surprised. Because I've not slept well since my mother's death.
For more reason you should stay here for a while.
No. I have to start going now because it's getting late.
I strongly advise that you stay with me for a while.
Rima, even if I'm going to stay, I will go home first and get my things and come back tomorrow.
I sense danger ahead. Grave danger.
Like I said, I have to go home and get my things. It's getting late. I thank you for your food and your word of encouragement.
Confronting has tarnished his image. Not delay. That's not the question. I don't know. He has tarnished his image.
It really baffles me. Why will he? Hey, good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you with them?
Yes, Nai.
Where are you headed?
To your late brother's house.
My late brother's house? What is happening?
Nai, are you not aware that the image of Odejiji is missing?
Yes, I'm aware. But what has my late brother's house got to do with missing image?
Nai, there was a report that your late brother's son, Ofodile, was seen around the shrine premises yesterday at late hour. We are going there to fetch him. He must tell us what happened to the image of Odeji.
My late brother's son? You mean Ofodile? You mean Ofodile?
Yes.
Why would Ofodile tamper with the image of Odenjiji, knowing full well that he's the future Igwe of this kingdom?
Nai.
Are you sure there's no mistake somewhere?
Nai. I'm not in the right position to answer that question. Ofodile will explain better if we see him. Excuse me.
My own Ofodile. would Ofodile do that? Eh? Why would he tamper with the image of Odenjiji, knowing that he's the future king of this kingdom? Anyway, I think I have to keep my ears to the ground. I need to find out what is actually happening.
Oh no, my elders. Good morning.
Ezechin, how are you?
How are you doing?
We are here to see Ofodile, but it seems like their house is locked. Are you aware of his whereabouts?
But I saw him this morning leaving the house very early.
And he has not returned up till now?
No, he has not. My elders, oh no, any problem?
We are here to ask him question about the missing image of Odeji.
Yes. Oh no. Let us decide on the next action to take. Since the young man in question is not around.
Yes. Oh no. There is no time to waste. The youth should search everywhere for the missing mask. They should search everywhere. They should search even the room, search the kitchen.
No. I don't agree with you. We can't search the house. Since we are not sure Ofodile is responsible, we can't.
No. Oh no. Let the youth search the whole compound.
Yes.
If nothing is found, we drop message for Ofodile. He should come to the council of elders and explain himself.
Yes. Oh no, they should ransack everywhere. They should search everywhere.
It's okay. Use of Omoga.
Oh no.
Okay. Let's go. You people search everywhere. Look for the missing image of Ofodile.
Ransack the whole compound. Search everywhere. Go everywhere. Search the whole compound. Yes. Ransack the whole compound. Search. Ikutu brame. Search. Ikutu brame.
Rufus, I don't understand what we are doing here. Ofodile cannot tamper with the image of Odeji.
See, I share the same view with you. But the accusation has been made. And he needs to prove his innocence.
I'm not enjoying it at all. I'm not. For the fact that he was seen at the shrine area does not make him the thief.
I know. But to fulfill all righteousness, let's search here and join others. Let's search.
Rufus, let's go.
Did you search here?
Rufus, there's nothing there. Let's go.
See, Ekene, we need to search every nooks and crannies of this place. Please, calm down now. Don't be in a hurry. Let's search here. Ekene,
what is it?
Come on, see.
Rufus, is this real?
The Onowu and the elders must hear about this. Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine. You're not supposed to be here.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
You need to run. Your life is in danger.
My own life in danger?
Yes!
How? I don't understand.
See, the image of Odenjiji got missing last night. And it was said you were the only one seen around the shrine. Late hours of yesterday. They went to your house in search of it and found it at the back of your house.
That is not possible. Someone must have kept it there. I can prove myself to let my people know that I'm innocent. I can.
See, You need to run. I beg you in the name of the gods. You need to run. The youths are everywhere looking for you.
I can't.
Please, you need to run, please. You need to go now.
What is it? What? Shut up. Yeah, wait. I have nothing to do with the missing image of the gods. I can challenge my accusers. I can.
But for delay, it is too late. The death sentence has already been pronounced.
Are the gods blind? Are they blind to must have passed such judgment to an innocent man?
Oh, why are we wasting time here now? Let's take this man out of here. This man is a criminal and must have committed an abomination.
Hey, be careful. Be careful, because I am not a criminal. I am still the future Iwe of this community. And I deserve some respect from you, and from you. Some respect!
Mechano, that was then, not anymore. Now, I'm going to shut up. Shut up.
That's good.
That's good.
How could you do that, Ekene? How could you? Why did you let him go? Why?
I didn't know what came over me.
What? Ekene, you say you don't know what came over you. I swear to God I am not happy with you. I swear. You just made our efforts fruitless. Oster, am I not speaking your mind?
You are speaking my mind, Ugo. You are speaking my mind. Ekene, our team would have taken the glory. Now he might fall in the hands of another team. Why?
Come to think of it, we all know that Ofodile is innocent. He couldn't have stolen the image of Odejiji now.
Okay, Mechano. Then who did it? Who?
Please, I beg you two not to tell anybody. If truly that Ofodile is guilty of the offense, he will not go scot-free.
Okay, fine. Oster, in that case, we all should go home. The search is of no use anymore. But for me, one day, Kambawado, Biko.
Please help me talk to him. You know he's your friend, he will listen to you.
Ekene. Ugo, please wait for me. Wait.
I am not happy that I have not been able to avenge the death of my son. The sorcerer is walking freely now somewhere. All effort I have made to get her have proven abortive.
Your Highness, you have done your best. You should leave the rest to the gods to handle.
My best have not been enough. She does not deserve to live. 2 of my guards are still missing because of her.
Aye, it is terrible. And no one in Amaude Kingdom is happy about it.
My spirit will not rest until I find her. Even if it will cost me the last drop of my blood. She can never get away with her evil and sorcery.
Our gods are not sleeping. She will surely be found, Your Highness. Your Highness, I need to take my leave. Take it easy. Everything will be all right. Huh?
Oh no.
Your Highness.
I am deeply troubled. There is no son to take over the throne from me. Where is my joy? It has been stolen from me by that evil child. And that is why I will never forgive her.
Oh, Your Highness, take it easy. Everything will be all right. Sooner or later, the new queen is heavy with a child. And who knows, she may be a baby boy. Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! Cats! Cats! And don't make sure nobody enters, please!
I warned you not to go, but you refused to heed the voice of reasoning. If the gods hadn't been with you, you would have been dead by now.
The gods, you said? Where were they when I was being accused of nothing? What did they do?
Ofodile, the gods are with you. If they weren't with you, those youths who caught you will have taken you back to the community.
Remind you're complicating issues. Leave the gods out of this. They know nothing. They can't see. They are blind.
They see. I know how you feel. Everything will be all right.
When? How? I was forced out of my father's land. For how long will I continue running?
We are here to see your mother concerning my sister.
You cannot see my mother. She's sleeping now. What is the problem?
Please help me. Please help me.
What is wrong with her? What?
Please help me.
What is wrong with her?
She's epileptic.
You can take her home now.
Is that all?
No. Bring her back tomorrow. Her herbs will be ready by then.
Thank you. Thank you.
Helpless and homeless. My life is all at stake. Oh, on the run, on the run. Who do I talk to? Where do I run to? Gods of a land, I am innocent. But I'm saying, Maka, Ika, Kubolumo. But I'm saying, Maka, Ewegi Monyoso.
I shouldn't have let him go, since the gods decided to deliver him in my hands. My mother will not be happy with this. I'm not going to tell her. I won't tell anybody.
I'm very happy you made it.
Yeah. My stepbrother saw me.
He did?
Yes. We just have to leave here immediately.
Yes.
We're not safe here.
Let's leave.
After
Hey, War. Who are you and what are you doing here?
I lost my way.
You said you lost your way.
Please, we have some things doing than wasting our precious time with this total stranger. Go. Raponya, let's go.
You're sure you lost your way?
Yes.
Okay, now.
I'm out in a straight line. No mother, no father. I'm on your can road. No one more. Who will like that? For me, no secret. I won't
No. Wait for the
Are we not saying? Eh? See, Ofodile has disappointed his people and the people are the gods of this land. Eh?
See, I am still wondering what must have pushed him in stealing the image of Odeji.
Look at what you are saying. Ofodile stole the image of Odeji so that he will sell it to the white men and make more money. Everybody knows that. He was here.
Hey, Ibebu, you're on point. You are right.
Ibebu cannot be right. Are you a seer? That you saw Ofodile at the shrine area does not make him a criminal.
Then what was the image doing in their house? Eh? Does he want to worship this thing only him? Eh? See, he stole the image. Simple.
Anyone could have planted it there.
See, his sudden disappearance proves that he is guilty. Where is he? I will keep saying it. He stole the image of Odenjinji. Simple.
Ofodile will never return to this village again. That is if he's still alive. Because Odenjinji will never keep quiet.
And you think he can run away from the wrath of Odenjinji?
Oh.
Yeah.
But now that Ezechina has replaced him, do you think Ezechina will make a good king?
Rufus. I will be on my way.
Ose.
Where are you going?
I just remembered that I had some dirty clothes to watch. Nenu Camden. Kamje bidogodi nanka.
Maybe the dirty guy. We know you are a dirty guy. Just go. So let's continue. Leave this move.
Please, in that case, please, I have to join him.
Eh?
Tomorrow we'll continue the discussion.
You are leaving as well.
Metia, come on.
Hey.
Check. Tomorrow.
Let's finish this one now.
Tomorrow, eh?
Rufus. Hey. See, come here.
I think Ezechina's mother knew what happened to my mother.
Why do you think so?
She wasn't just happy that the gods chose me as the next Igwe of this land. We were all living in peace before the announcement was made. Then suddenly, her attitude changed.
Alibese, good morning. I'm greeting you. Hey! Keep your greetings to yourself. I don't need it. Am I deaf? Onyarala. I have all your plans in my pants. Alibese. Hey! You will see. I'm not being off here. What have I done to you? It is very, very unlike you. What have I done to you? Tell me so that I can apologize to you instead of all this unnecessary embarrassment. Embarrassment? Very soon you will see the man embarrassment. And what have I done to you? It is very, very unlike you. Ugomma, you don't know. Don't worry. Very soon you will know. You that know everything. But this one you don't know. Pretender. Stupid.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? Have you quarreled with her before?
I did not quarrel with her. I don't know what has come over her.
Anyway, my father used to tell me that I shouldn't always interfere in women's affairs. Let me hurry and go and catch my water.
Affordile. I would advise, do not point an accusing finger on anyone, for the gods will show you those behind the death of your mother.
I think sometimes the gods have their way of doing things, but I wonder if they exist.
I'm here to thank you for curing my sister's sickness. She has not experienced that since the last time that we came here.
I have not asked for this.
Mama, please take it from my heart. Please.
God bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
Affordile. Accept the gift.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. I have to leave now.
My greetings to your sister.
Thank you.
You prepared yourself as if you knew that he would be coming.
Affordile.
Hi, your sister. Oh yeah. I hope you're fine. all right. I'll send my guards to see you. They will.
When you finally become the Igwe of this kingdom, I will build a big palace. Everybody in this community will become my subjects. I'll have plenty of guards and beautiful selected maidens. And I will be addressed as Igwe of this community. Everybody who does not like me before, I will make them my slave. Those girls that have been toasting that refuse to accept me, they will come crawling and begging Igwe to take them as their babe.
Hey, stop there.
Were you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you. Why didn't you greet me?
I saw you, of course.
You saw me, yes, then why didn't you greet me?
Excuse me.
Excuse you? Haven't you heard the latest in this kingdom? That soonest I, Ezechina, will become the Igwe of this kingdom. So now start learning how to greet me. Igwe. Come on, do it.
Was that why you had your brother framed up and chased him out of the community?
What did you just say?
You and your mother planted a missing Odenji image in their house just to implicate him. But I will make sure you never become the Igwe of this land. Rubbish.
What did you just say? Come here! Come! Come on. She
she's not the only person who have said this to me. What is really going on? Huh?
My son is not yet back.
No, Mama.
Hey. What is he still doing at Onowo's place? Oh. No. But I feel
Mama.
Don't worry. Very soon my son will be crowned the Igwe of Umobia community. And you'll be his queen.
Thank you, Mama.
And you know what? If he's crowned the king of Umobia community, everybody will be calling me Nigwe. And all the women in this community will be under my control. And they will honor you as their queen.
That's true, Mama. Ezechina will make a good king.
Did you say a good king? In fact, he'll be one of the best kings this community ever produced. And I will give him all the support a mother will give her son.
Thank you, Mama. You are indeed a good mother.
Did you just say that? I'm a good mother. I want you to be well with my son. Did anything happen?
Mama, we need to talk. In private, let's go to the back and talk.
Continue with your coconut, oh?
Mama,
I'll see,
I hope he's not angry because of me.
No, it has nothing to do with you. In fact, if he comes out and sees you, he will like you. Trust me. Oh? Yes, he will like you. Don't do that to me. You're a very fine girl. What?
Mama, I need you to tell me the truth, nothing but the truth.
What truth?
Did you set Ufodile up?
What kind of question is that?
Because the same thing that happened the other day repeated itself today again.
What are you talking about?
I was on my way going to Onowo's house. And I saw Afoma. She accused me of setting Ufodile up to take over his position as the Igwe.
Why did she say that to you?
I don't know. She said you and I planted the missing image of Odinjiji behind their Ufodile's house.
Why would she say that to you? Eh? Why?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you if this is true.
A lot of you. You don't trust me. How can I even involve myself in such an abominable act? Eh? How could I have sent anybody to go to Odinjiji's shrine to tamper with the image of the gods? I didn't do it. You trust me.
Because Mama, I'm confused. Oh. This whole story looks real. Huh?
Listen, don't bother about it. Whatever Ufodile was accused of, Omereya, he's guilty of it. See that girl out there? It's that girl I was telling you about. I brought her so that you two can familiarize yourselves. She's a very good girl and from a very good background. She'll make a good wife for you. Come, let's go and see her.
Have you talked to her?
I've told her everything.
She has.
Of course, now don't you know me, man? Who doesn't want to be a queen?
How did you know all that?
I saw it in a vision the night you came here. I did not know how to tell you.
Are you sure of what you've just told me?
I will never lie to you. I'm telling you for you to know the truth.
Why should the gods put me in this condition and abandon me? Why should they let my mother die? As if killing her wasn't enough. The same person went on and framed me up.
I shouldn't have told him.
No. Ufodile. I said no. Ufodile. You cannot go. It is not safe for you to do so.
Erima, I have to go. This is not my father's land. For how long am I going to stay here?
I haven't said you should stay here forever. I'm talking about your life.
Erima, I have to go. Please, allow me to go. I need to let my people know that I'm innocent. For my good and for the good of the community.
They will not believe a word of what you say. I told you the mystery behind your calamity for you to know the truth, not for you to endanger your life. I couldn't have hidden my visions away from you.
Erima, I am not a coward. I need to stop this evil before it gets far.
This is not the right time. It is not the moment.
Erima, why have the gods kept quiet over this all this while? Please allow me to go. My people need to know the truth.
I'm not quiet.
Yes, they are. I wouldn't have been here if they did not choose to be silent. That is why I said they are blind. My mother died. My mother died because of me. Because of me.
Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. 99 days for the thief. One day, not for the honor. Onya na banka taja. Nisi mani beya. Nkata kage udokwe.
This is a sign of bad omen. You must leave here at once. Hey! Hey! Hey!
What is it? Get forward! Odenjinji did what? Did what?
He's over there. I saw it. Odenjinji. Hey! 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 Hey!
What did he mean by Odenjinji? Odenjinji. Hey, yapukani fenechi. Yapukani fenechi. Hey, hey, hey. I think Odenjinji must have appeared to him. And if that is true, it means that Odenjinji is still angry with us. He's still angry. Hey, Odenjinji, I think Onowu must hear this.
Onu na-ekwuri Igbo na onwe ya. Onu na-ekwuri. This is why you are panting. What's the problem?
Oh no. I'm happy I met you here. I'm actually going to your house.
I hope there's no problem.
Did you meet Ibegbu on your way coming?
Ibegbu? No. I branched off to my farm to do some certain things.
As I was going to see my in-law, I met Ibegbu running and shouting at the same time.
Why?
Do you know why he was shouting?
No.
He was shouting Odenjinji, Odenjinji, Odenjinji. He said that he saw Odenjinji.
Aloeme, what's the meaning of that?
If you ask me, I will tell you that we should do something very fast. Odenjinji is angry, and very soon it will unleash the anger on this land. And you know how terrible that might be.
What made you think that Odenjiji is angry?
Oh no.
And what do we do to avert his anger not to hit on us?
Oh no. Are you the one asking this question? Have you forgotten so soon that the man that tampered with the image of Odenjiji has not been brought to book?
But all our effort to capture that young man proved abortive. What do we do?
Then summon the youth immediately. Yes, they should commence the search for Ofodile. This time they should extend it to our neighboring villages.
You have a point. It's a nice suggestion. I will give it back to you. Call it to the house of the town crier. Tell him to summon the youths. I want to see all of them in my house this evening. Eh?
I will do exactly as you said.
It's okay.
And I will get back to you.
It's okay.
Yes.
Please do that.
Please, do anything you can to save me from this shame that started after the death of my first wife. I experience it almost 3 times every day. I have not met with my cabinet ever since because of this. Please, help me.
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, we are here to save you from the shame you've been passing through all this while. But we are going to do that only on one condition.
Oh, make your requests.